If you've forgotten your Bluehost password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your Bluehost password step by step, so you can get back into your account quickly and securely. This is a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to reset your password and sign back in with confidence. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials and helpful walkthroughs. Now let's get started. First, go to the Bluehost login page in your web browser. Once the page loads, enter your Bluehost user ID in the login field. This is the account identifier Bluehost uses to verify your login details. After that, click on Forgot Password. This tells Bluehost that you need to recover access to your account. In some cases, Bluehost may ask you to enter your user ID again. If that happens, just type it in one more time and continue. Then click Next. At this point, Bluehost will send a verification code to the email address connected to your account. Go to your registered inbox and look for the message from Bluehost. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you find the code, enter it into the verification screen. After the code is verified, Bluehost will prompt you to create a new password. This is where you'll choose a strong password that you can remember, but that is also secure. Type your new password carefully, then confirm it by entering it again in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match exactly. After that, click Change Password, and your account recovery process will be complete. Now you can go back to the Bluehost login page and sign in using your new password. Once you're logged in, it's a good idea to double-check your account settings and make sure everything is up to date. If you use Bluehost often, consider saving your new password in a secure password manager so you don't run into this issue again. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Bluehost password and regained access to your account. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one.